indicates chute deployed.
The navigation has confirmed that the parachute has deployed, and we are seeing significant deceleration in the velocity. Our current velocity is 440 meters per second at an altitude of about 12 kilometers from the surface of Mars.
Heat shield set.
Perseverance is now slowed to subsonic speeds, and the heat shield has been separated. This allows both the radar and the cameras to get their first look at the surface. Current velocity is 145 meters per second at an altitude of about 9.5 kilometers above the surface.
Iba utay u robot la utay u spacecraft chong ka NASA ka ba din po kari Amerika. Pilaban iba utay u robot la u spacecraft ula ring video hakapor budang hiar yala desha po utay u metbneng Mars. Malaang ba kanika dik video ka ba sisya bat ka ba omtok na marbay kanika video la palaling ba ka tay ka NASA na po kari Amerika. Malaang ba hang ne pilaban ba ka tay ka daw met la ka daw ba chong tay u metbneng Mars uday u basa bat kum taw utay u planet la utay u metbneng Mars uday u basa lo dang iped ka telescope nang ne na po ka slapper tay ka jongi.
We have completed our terrain relative navigation. Current speed is about 30 meters per second, altitude of about 300 meters off the surface of Mars. We have started our constant velocity accordion, which means we are conducting the sky crane, about to conduct the sky crane maneuver. Sky crane maneuver has started, about 20 meters off the surface.
We're getting signals from MRO.
Tango Delta.
Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars, ready to begin seeking the sands of past life.
Bat ka ne pat ka de ka sound ne ka sur la ne kumno ka sun benang ka lang how to met benang Mars hadin ba to robot la ne to spacecraft chang ka NASA ula dep no how to met benang Mars.